Hey, morning, Uncle Phil. Nice, nice. That's good. Yeah, Disney had uh, really good forecast on their streaming service and really popped up. That's good. I mean, good profit on Disney. That's good. That's a good move. Morning, guys. What's going on? So yeah, I think we had a pretty bad what was that bad Wednesday and Thursday. I mean, we kind of recover a lot, and today seems like a lot of stocks are kind of flat, or a lot of are actually diving down. Mostly people's eyeing on the Tesla. So next week probably will be vital. It was sold up pretty much in the pre-market, but it has since recovered a lot. It was, I think, at one point like 605, 603. I'm expecting maybe it just kind of remain flat or go a little bit higher, but not much on the downside. So let's see. As long as it's hold like that 605 labels, should be good for today. But we'll see how that's gonna go. But yeah. uh, yeah, so lot of tickers like I mean, I told you that TDOC I posted when TDOC was right around in this area, and I've been telling, like, in fact it went up to 88, 89. I got when it was around 90 something, and I sold yesterday at 97, 98 actually. Yeah, but even if you have not sold, you should be up really nice hugely, so that's good. So you just need to, like, one thing you have to look is always a risk reward, which are good, right? If you get like I mean, still I think docu is pretty good if you have give it enough time. So the good stocks doesn't get sold much. Look at this. This is a great stocks. I've been like screaming this, and look at this. Even if, well, the market is really down, it's pretty holding it. So you gotta know what to get in. But let's get it started. Morning. PFE. So PFE Pfizer just had that thing. Yeah, pre-market up a little bit, so about 42. So I see they have a resistance around 42.57, and if it breaks, I think it's gonna probably retest 43. And yeah, if it the break, that would be good. But that's a good news for fiber. I mean, not fiber, Pfizer. It's really great, a great run up. So hopefully it keeps that. So that's with the Pfizer. Just they had the announcement for the whatever. Yeah, I'm looking at docu. Maybe if it gets a little cheaper, I may get some. One thing. Uh, I'm not gonna do Disney puts, man. I mean, uh, yeah, I'm not gonna. Yeah, Disney is up. OSTK. I'm gonna look into OSTK PLTR. Oh, that's good. Football Lotto. I mean, I didn't do Lotto. I did Leap, so that's not really a Lotto. You have enough time, but you can roll. I mean, if you want. So Facebook, Amazon, PLTR, AMD. So I'm gonna look into those, right? So AMD has been holding pretty well, right? AMD is holding the support level pretty well. As always, like Wednesday was a red day for pretty much everything. You just name it. But if you look at that, I mean, we had these channels. It went out of these channels, and we are in this channel. So as long as you hold this level, as long as it's like 88. So if you got in, sometimes I think you need to have your stops somewhere around 87 below. So I would say like maybe 86, then probably thinking. Other than that, it's, I think it looks pretty good. As long as it's hold this level, that's good. Yes, day before yesterday would have been, yesterday morning right at open would have been good, good get in. Right now at 90.96, pretty flat, but that's what I see. Again, I'm not looking at day trading. This is, I'm looking at like long term swing mostly, right? Not more than long term, but that's what I'm looking. So that's what I see. So PLTR, again the concept same. uh, So PLTR, I had literally 10 leaves. I got in around here. I sold it around like, that was a nice, good profit. I sold it around 24, 25, somewhere around there. It did went up to 30, 31. I didn't catch. I thought like it was way too overextended, and it did got a pullback till up to 21. So I could have actually got back in. I did not get back in, but right now it's just making. Hmm, really. So we are right here, 27. So if it holds that 25-40 level, I think you are good. Below that could be kind of bearish, but as long as it's hold 25, should be good. One thing is kind of volume drying up too. See, with the huge move, there was a good volume coming in, but now it's like even a green day kind of volume, and red days have a bigger volume. So that's not a great sign. So maybe it's just people that are selling off. So yeah. Oh yeah, crowd is the crowd. If you look at the more, like crowd has not run that much. Like if you look at, right, crowd is a really strong stocks, and think about it. Like look at Roku. Look at Roku. This is Roku, man. I mean, Roku was $80 in like what, $100 or something, like $90 in June. That's like July, August, September, October, November. Like 6 months, it has literally what, tripled? Yeah, more than tripled, like 100, so 300. Crowd was Crowd has smaller market cap, and if you look at that, see, within that time frame, it was like 80, 90, not even doubled. And look at that, the it's not like parabolic, it's consistent. Like it has been in this range, and it has been in this range for a while. Got a lot of pullback. I mean, if you, again, depends what you are looking. If you're looking for a weekly, it may literally go down 154, you lose all your money, right? If you look at weekly, anything can happen. Like you got to look at the price action and whatnot, right? But if you're looking at long terms, I think it has a lot of juice. I'm gonna look at Tesla. Market just opened, so it's holding. So seems like low, pre-market low was about 1610. So let's see if it holds. And I think if it does not, maybe it will retest. But kind of looking a little bit of bearish right now. But as long as it's hold that 10 level, should be good in terms of. And actually, if you look at yesterday too, that 611 was kind of good, good support around. Next is probably 603. So uh, just look at the price actions. But that was a big big red candles, maybe before the big move, or God knows. That's an indecision kind of. It's just the buyer and seller fighting. So okay, so crowd is selling off. So Okta. Okay, okay, okay. A lot of buyer coming in. Okay, 619. Oh, that's good. Yeah, I think it will probably hopefully do well. Let me see some of my positions if I have to close some. I have a lot of accounts, so I probably need to consolidate. So that's good. The Iron Condor play I told you about Splunk, like it's right on, kind of at max profit. I will probably let it go. Okay. Shit. What the? Okay, Tesla is almost red to green actually. Okay, okay. How's Apple darling doing? Okay, Apple is at 22. Let's see how that opens. It's just all the techs are pretty slaughtered. D-Dog. Okay, 99, that's good. Okay. Hmm. Okay, okay. Let's see. Thoughts on Disney, and then I stopped shorting Neo. Yeah, so it's going down. Neo by the dip in full effect. BMP. Netflix. Let's look at the Netflix. I'm gonna go back to my usual one day. We're gonna keep looking at Tesla. Tesla is, yeah, I think like absolute support is right around here, but let's see. Kind of congested. It needed a pullback. So as long as like it's above, yeah, 6, 10, 15, that should be good. Kind of holding back, but Netflix. I think Disney is getting good is not a great news for Netflix, but yeah, I've been telling you guys a lot of times like this was a very strong support. Like look at that, it has been hold. So whenever it goes to 70, literally getting calls and you could literally make money. But a lot of people get chopped out in this and they sell out. But you just need to have a patience. But we did touch it right there. Okay. Now we are in the mid range, so there's a lot of range, so it's all over. I don't see any wave two on daily, so there's not a good yeah, yeah. So yeah, probably like could play iron condor for 525 or and down, but when it moves really quick, so not really great risk reward. I won't really get in. So Tesla is slowly dying off. Mm-mm-mm. Tesla is 6. Okay, okay, okay. Tesla is, it's holding pretty much that 15 level. It's holding pretty nice. But okay, let's get. Why do I have feelings will be green sooner than later? Yeah, probably. Dickens is the VXS gapping up fastly. PLTR. PLTR is green. Oh wow. But look at that. It's way overextended. But oh man, people are still buying. But I want to see what do we call it? Dash. How's Dash doing? It was red, but not really a red. Man, is it slowly going from 190 to 170? So could be a good shot, but we cannot do. But uh, A, B, and B. Oh wow. Oh, Airbnb opened green yesterday. Oh wow. This is ridiculous though. And what else we have? I think we're talking about. Oh wow, that's a cool emoji, Leo. I love that. So let's look at what's anything riding. So pretty much everything is red. Looks like. Oh wow, Fastly is up nicely. Anybody in Fastly? Uh, Look at the square. DKNG is green too. Other is like square. I told square you could get in right around this what do we call this 15 16, yeah, 15. And see, you got to look at your zone, right? And there's a good risk reward. You know where to stop. Like if it goes below maybe 13 or something, right? 13 or below, just get out. So you're risking like $2 to make. I mean, you can take profit to, if it's your risk reward, always have that, right? At least have 1:3. If you're risking two, think about like you're 13, right? You lose like I mean $2 per stock. So try to risk like, I mean, try to make it $4, I mean $6, right? So you're already at 4, so 21, take some profit and keep riding it, right? And you can even take, so that's 1:3, right? So if you do that, you'll always come ahead. If you don't have any risk reward, you'll just like wondering and all over, then it's gonna be all over. Decals pins. Okay, I thought DOCU gonna go a little bit down. Then I wanted to add up, but let's see how the days goes. But if you got in TDOC, like it's been holding pretty good. And I wanna look at SPLK Splunk. How's Splunk doing? Holding at 52 level. That's fine. And what about CRM? Yeah, CRM has been So CRM 120 is really good. It's been holding that 120 level really nice. So that's seems like a good support. Let's see where it goes, but that 120 level is really good. I may do credit spreads for like maybe 15-20 for next week maybe. Yeah, Friday at 20. Yeah, I may actually do that. If you guys have not liked and subscribed, don't forget to like and subscribe the YouTube channel. I have a lot of videos. If you have any question about any of the videos, let me know. But yep, let's see what everybody is talking about. And so Disney, a lot of people's like, some people are in Disney. If you're in Disney, that's a huge. But man, Disney literally jumped from what, 56. Wow, look at that, from 35. This was a like a clear it was resting a lot, had then gap up there, and actually it tested here, and 135 to 16. That's what a really great ride actually on Disney. If you look at the smaller time frame, uh, let's do 5 minutes. Yeah, so we sold off initially, but kind of picking up. So actually I would actually get in if it breaches 169. So that I like that way rather than just enter randomly. So we don't know, it may fail it, but if it's breached that 169.70, I think that would be good. Cause it's 8%, it can go 12%, right? So, and 69 and 65, $3, not much, but yeah, but it did gapped up. If you picked up in the morning, could be good. Maybe sold off, but yeah. So oh, it picked up yesterday too after hours. Was it yesterday? Yeah, yesterday too picked up. I don't know when the news came out, but uh, pretty great. Could have like picked yesterday after hour the stocks, but thanks, Uncle Philly. Thanks. Yeah. If you like TikTok shares, I want to grow. I was thinking like once I get 10K, I may go live from time to time on TikTok and maybe just talk, have some good talk. But I'm at what, 5, 6. So share, comments. It just helps TikTok algorithms. If you have any question, comment, share, save, tell your friends. That would help me. Oh man, that sucks, Michelle. How's your Neo doing? Like you still holding it? I know you had like 100 shares or something of Neo. Yeah, Neo just had an offering. So basically, if you guys don't know, offering is kind of bad, right? So think about it. So market cap is basically stock price. So market cap is stock price times stock price, how many total outstanding shares, outstanding shares. That's market cap, right? Market cap. So for example, Apple has 2 trillion, right? So what, 2 trillion, that means like people's value the company Apple. So 2 trillion includes everything, right? There's all the IP they have, their trademark, their the Apple iPhone, all the patent they have, all the buildings and everything, right? So basically you are valuing a company. Think about it, maybe you have a coffee shop, right? What's the value of a coffee shop? Basically your value of coffee shop is if you want to sell it right now, what you got. So basically what it's saying is like if Apple want to sell themselves, it's gonna cost about $2 trillion, right? Now how this value is derived, because they have a business, they make money, and like it's like anything, so you have coffee shop or whatever. So now what's going on is when they're offering, so let's give it an example. I don't know what's an outstanding share, you can always check in the website. Let's say Apple had Apple have 100 outstanding shares, right? So what is offering is basically what they are doing is like, oh, the people's, there's a good demand, so we'll just add another 20 shares, so now think about it, like you're basically nothing changed in the business. If business do well, the market cap goes up. Here they just injected more shares, right? More shares. Before it was 100, that's why it was. Now you have 120. So just to make it that the price should go lower, reality, right? That's why it just goes down, because nothing changed fundamentally. They are diluting, right? The value of stock, the value decreases. That's all is offering. So offering is company is taking advantage. It's just basically they're printing free money, right? So basically Tesla said 5 billion. Basically what they're saying is like they're selling you guys, and they're making $5 billion, which is good for them. For a Tesla, this has got free money. Literally they printed money out of the thin air. And who are the, like, we were buying, I guess they are dumb, or maybe not dumb if they do really well, but that's why it just price goes down. They just diluted the stock, right? So I guess that makes sense. Okay, okay. Well, Michelle, look at that. Covered calls, literally, I think your average price was like, oh wow, but covered call made 39. That's pretty good deal, right? So you decrease all the way from 59 and 39, right? So think about it. Like, still, you are not losing. You are at 42 point whatever. So you are still not losing. You are still making some money. Like, so I think that's a good. Oh, I love it. Thanks, Theo. Yeah, yeah, I love it. I love it. Yeah, and also like it just makes me make more videos. Sometimes it's just like nobody's watching video. It's just I mean, if people watch, people follow, people do that. I'm trying to build a brand. It just helps. Thanks, Leo. Thanks for the words. What? Okay. Oh, okay. You're at, okay, okay. Well, not bad. I mean, your average was what 51 or something, right? So you lower down to 49. So hopefully, like, oh wow, so still big money, but slowly and steady, maybe sell 49 next week, and make it 48 and 47, and hopefully it will bounce back too. But yeah, offering was kind of the diluted, so that was not a good move from them. But how's Disney doing? Yeah, Tesla is at 112, slowly slowing down. But let's look at Disney. Yeah, look at that. It's kind of coming up, kind of coming up. One thing is volume is kind of decreasing, so a lot of people sold. But yeah, how is zero DTE working on? I'm looking at Disney. Oh wow, the dip, but Oh wow. 170 is almost 500%. Wow. Yeah, it's kind of struggling there, but if it goes there, that would be good. All right, all right, all right, all right. Yeah, yeah. Friday is usually slow. Twitter. Oh, that's awesome. Yeah. Yeah, that's great. Like, and if you are selling covered calls, and that's great. Puts covered calls. I love those ideas. I mean, that's pretty much free money. You're collecting basically rent. Those are your assets, and I think I think you will collect probably whatever. And for and Robert, like, think about it. Like, this is Tesla is paying so much premium. You could literally make 3K, 4K, even 5K, like, depending where your strike is. Pretty much free money when the volatility is so high. So it's good for sellers. Like, I mean, because option buyers is like, I closed out a lot of profit. I mean, I closed out a lot of positions. I'm looking at this. If it breeds this, I may get in. Nothing really crazy though. I may probably not even trade. Oh wow, I love this. I have a snow. I have a snow put at 80, so both are in the money. I don't know. I want to see. But one thing I did. So my thesis was really correct. Only thing was, like, I got way too far out. Call. I have 385, 380 put. Both are in the money. I'll sell it at, I guess. If I could get $400, there's no reason to put it close to for credit. I'm gonna get credit because I knew it's gonna dump. I think it was pure. Oh, wow. So it's struggling at right around that 69 area. Tesla is holding pretty good that 10 10 level. I think it went up to 20, then kind of consolidated. I feel like it will probably hold that 10 area. As long as it's hold, that should be good. Oh wow. Shop has been beaten down. Somebody asked me Amazon. I totally forgot. I'm in Amazon too, but Amazon has been sleeping and I hate it. Okay. Yeah, it's still below. It really, for bullish things, it needs to go above 31 something. Again, like, if Amazon does, it can do that in one day. Like, literally, it moved from 75 to $80. It can move. So, but it has been, again, there's some support around this area too. If you look, 30, 92, 93. So kind of okay, just sleeping. It's probably gonna wake up sometime, but I closed my Fiverr. I got in Fiverr yesterday. Fiverr, like literally, it has been like some red day just bite kind of thing. It just always comes back. One thing you gotta do is like look into the charts, right? Whatever you're following, look into the charts how they do it. Like maybe again it dumps a lot, but if you have good risk reward, good support resistance, check it out and it's very strong. Wow, snow is beaten down. Okay. Well, crowd strike, if it goes to 60 area, I'll be buyer. So that's one thing. If you're thinking about playing, not yet. I want it a little bit lower. I wish it goes to at least 60, 65. I will just get in. I'll just close my eyes and get in if it goes there. Yes, he is under. Okay. If you are thinking of long term, I think yes, he is still has a lot of juice. You could actually add yes, he is still down. See, red days are good. A lot of things are sale, so whatever. If you have something in, I don't know why it says, but I'm not in any Mac. Well, it happens, man. You can always buy back Robert, but yeah, I mean, you cannot have like a profit both the way, so it does work. Morning, morning, Bryson. I haven't seen you in a while. Tesla. That's what I was talking, right? So if you look at the smaller time frame, Tesla very indecision. But if you look at let's say 15 minutes, right? So uh, we are right here. Um, let's do 5 minutes. Oh, not 5 seconds. I don't want to do seconds. So there's some support around from, if you look at yesterday, there's some good support around this area like 10, 11 level. So that area support, if it doesn't hold that, we probably gonna go to 5 and maybe 600. As long as it holds, it's good. As the whole market is down, but Tesla is still holding that level. If you look at, yeah, look at that. uh, uh, Really indecision, and it's kind of holding this level, right? It's holding this level, so as long as it's hold this like 12, 13 levels should be good. If not, we may kind of go down, but looks like there's pretty much same, buyer and sellers are in, both are in kind of control. Seems like it's holding pretty good so far. One thing is just the overall market is really red, so unless that reverse, like I probably like it may actually open flat. So let's see how the as the day pass. Usually buyers come, but yeah, it's just Thursday. I mean, it's just Friday, so hard to tell. Yeah, it's pretty slow move today. I don't know how accurate, like this has not been accurate a lot of times, but it's just like 6 millions, which is not a huge. Usually I would expect like 15, 20 million. So the volume is definitely not there, except the first candle was pretty good, but I guess about same like yesterday. Usually buyer do come out in Tesla. So yesterday we pretty much rallied from 571 to 623, and then consolidated. It just the sold off happens on the after hours. But today I think like whatever damage happened pre-market happened, but I feel like we will probably go. There's some strong support around like 610, 611. Look at that, that, and also in the pre-market. So one, don't give much weight to the pre-market, but seems like it's held perfectly from the yesterday's too. So I think we probably gonna hold 611 level. So Facebook has been going down. So if it goes maybe 60s area, I'll be probably a buyer there. Oh yeah, Robert. I don't know, SPAC. I literally made a video on SPAC and also on warrants, and even better is warrant. So I'm actually in IPOB, but I'm in warrant. So I'm actually this one. I guess warrant, right? Can you do? Yeah. Oh, yeah. I got this one at around. I got this around like this time. So no, this I got around this area. So I got around 4 or 5. Man, I just got like 500 of those. They almost doubles. I should have got like probably more, man. I I totally missed that warrant, right? Uh, I wish I got 1,000. There was like 5,000 only, maybe even 10,000. But see, warrants are even better than. So warrant does have warrant act like a little bit like an option. So what does this means is basically you can buy IPOB. If you sell this one, you can buy IPOB at like $10, $11. I explain how that works. So why it happens is basically if you buy IPOB, so the warrant is at 1051, right? If you buy IPOB, it's at 25, right? So you gotta pay 25. So if you have, let's say, 2,500, you can buy 2,500. You can buy 100 of this, right? Basically, then $1 up, you make $100. But if you have 2,500, you can buy 250 warrants, and warrant also kind of goes similarly. 100 up, it goes 100. So $1 up, you make 250 with the same capital. One risk is if IPOB go below 11, basically your warrant is like worthless, right? There's maybe like couple cents or couple maybe $0.50 or something, but warrants are really good. Oh wow, I did not even check it, but the chart looks really ready for breakout for this one. Breakout would be nice. Is it like 18th per the? I think that would bring back some FOMO. I'm holding my warrant. So TSCB. So other TSCB. Yeah, yeah. I have one of these in a warrant too, and this has been riding too. I got in, and actually I told everybody like to get in at 1150. So your only risk is basically if the merger does not happen, you still get $10 back. Basically, you will get, so you lose like $1 in a stock, but that's pretty good risk reward if you have. And this was just the news. I should have got more of this, but this literally like 17, 16. So that's what like you know that's like what 30, 40%. That's a great look at the volume too. Volume increasing. So warrants are really good. Yeah. Yeah, the warrant is basically you get more buying power. So that's all. It's just like an option leverage, right? Leverage. So basically think about it like TSCB. If you got, you need 1,600 to get 16. But TSCBW, which is TSCBW, which I got actually. I got this one around like I got somewhere 150, 160, right? It's already 100% up, like more than that. So you make more money for bang for bucks, more bang for your buck. So those were excellent one. Well, it's not really a foolproof though, Robert. You can say that what could happen is basically, let's say they said they're gonna merge with like crappy company, right? If it's in a downtrend, even after merger news happens, it can actually go trade below that. If after the so you will get $10 back only if it does not merge, right? If it's gonna go merge, you can sell your stock or whatever anytime. Of course, you can sell it, but let's say they merge with really crappy company like which nobody believes. So I mean, in technically it meant yeah, um, but yeah. So warrant like are like an option, but they don't lose value like options, so they still lose value like stocks, and they can become worthless. But if you are buying right at 10, 11, you are literally paying $1 or something. So you can literally throw $1,000, you're risking $1,000, but your potential is if it goes $10 you make 10,000, right? So yeah, it's pretty good actually. All right. So what's happening? Wow, I love it. It's no, I should have grabbed so many puts, man. My puts both in the money. That's good. That was uh, okay. Oh wow, Tesla is going down. 609. I want it to kind of. Yeah, Tesla is kind of. Let's see if it holds that level, but it does need to hold that. Uh, okay, Tesla is slowly curling, so it's below that level. Next, probably it can actually go to that yesterday's this 604. That's usually a reversal. Well, end of month probably it's gonna sell. I mean, my thing is I think after what do we call after the news of S&P inclusion, probably it will sell off maybe 5 to 10% at least. No, not really get in the beginning, right? So warrant and stock, the whatever the pre-merger stock, they moves up together. So you can get in, right? If you get in like you can get in anytime. You can get in right now if you believe it's gonna move. But if you get in, you get that really cheap price, right? Right at the gate. But yeah. But if the merger does not happen, your warrant becomes zero. Though that's the thing. With warrant, you cannot get money back. That's why those warrant literally run at like dollar or 50 cents. But there's it's just a risk, right? So if the merger does not happen, they are worthless. So usually I would get after the rumor like merger gonna happen or they kind of decided when they're still cheap. But then each dollar up, you make money. But yeah, warrants are really good. I like it actually. So a lot of tickers are reversing. Looks like. Okay, that's see that was indecision. So boom, a little bit up. So I have some 90, 590, 595. So not selling. Let's see how that does. I'll see if it does really bad. I may sell it or roll it, but we'll see. INS INSC. I have no idea about INSC, but I can look into it. Oh wow, that was a big, huge candle. Looks like it's about to break out, but I have no idea about this company and whatnot. I don't know why it's breaking out, but yeah, good base, volume increasing, and the breakout on yesterday was a good day too, good volume, and today looks like a nice breakout actually. Yeah, that's a nice breakout actually, on even in monthly too. 1368, it kind of broke out that. No idea about the company though, so I can't really tell, but yeah, chart looks a good breakout actually. Yep. So they broke out of their, 150-day moving average with the price of what, 10 something on daily. So that could have been a great kind of support. This could have been good sign actually, good signal for reversal. So it's definitely, it was up, kind of reverse. That's what clearly in downtrend. This is the start of the uptrend. Yeah, seems a little bit overextended, but yeah, it's right at breakout, so could go further higher. Well, if you are doing margin, you gotta know what you are doing, I guess. So once you are kind of, nothing wrong with margin. People use margin all the time, but yeah, but you probably need to have some margin at least, like you could use when you really need it. Chewy and chewy. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. See, that was my breakout point on 80. Boom. See, you gotta draw this line, man. And we are at what? 82, 33, 39. That's great. Yeah, it was a fake out before, but today looks like a good, and you can actually see 82. Yeah, I think it may actually go higher. They're a good earning actually. And Jumia. Oh yeah, yeah. It nicely recovered. It literally hopped down to 27 and boom. Now I think it's probably ready to test that 40 level. This is crazy. This has been like yeah. Alright guys, if you are new, don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, if you have any question, comment below. If you have not, I have I have a course on everything, so all my strategy data, and I'm adding a lot of content. So if you are interested, the link is in bio. Don't sure to join that, and I will be adding a lot of. I think I'm thinking of adding course on kind of fundamentals and everything, how to look into stocks and how to buy, when to get in, and basically for the stocks, cause I see a lot of people are into stocks, but this covers pretty much everything about the options, how to do it. If you are thinking, you can make a million overnight, definitely this is not a course for you. But if you are thinking on, if you are really want to learn about options, how that works, and how do you make consistent income, slowly you build your wealth, right? 15-20% monthly, you know, that's if you are thinking about that, definitely enroll in. And I think it will be worth, if you put the strategy, you will definitely get back the money within a month. I can literally guarantee that. You just have to be disciplined and not get cocky and not get overconfident, and just apply all the risk management. I cover pretty much call, debit spread, credit spread, theta strategy, how do you wheel strategy work. I guess, do I have selling puts? Well, that's kind of covered, but puts covered, calls wheeling. Okay, that's kind of covered, but I may kind of get into more things. But I really try to simplify it, like delta, gamma, theta, you know. So the link is in bio. If anybody interested, you can get in. Again, the thing is like. Oh, that's awesome. Yeah, leaps are best. I mean, I love it. Leaps. Leaps is basically you have that, you know, that security, and you don't need to worry about that. Yeah. Other than that, if not, don't forget to like and subscribe my channels. I get a lot of videos. I'll make more videos, and yeah. If you have any question or comment, let me know. If not, have a great day, I guess. Disney is at 71. Oh, it started now. I finished. Oh wow. How's Disney doing? Yeah, look at that. I was telling, I totally missed it, but I was telling you guys, right? Yeah. See, this was your entry point right here, 169.60. If you got in, you should be up like 71 something, right? You guys were, you have to look into your level. Before, there was not much risk reward. Here, if you had kind of watch it, right? See, see, that was a good trade. That was a good trade. I totally missed it, but see, look at that. It went there, did not pass. It did not pass. Finally, it passed. That's when you get in. Boom, boom. You could literally sell in 10 minutes. That's all you need to do. You don't need to really look into it. And yeah, I think that's if you got in, congrats. But if not, you just need to look into it. So Disney has a good news. Then it had a pullback like a classic. You sell the news usually, then kind of buyers coming in, and finally boom, right? Buyers got out, right? So that's how you do it. But if not, that's okay. You always get another chance. So uh, oh yeah, yeah, that's a good idea, Cash. Just buy a few weeks out. That way you don't do. I am looking to Baba and say goodbye, I guess. Yeah, I still have a Baba. It just kind of making a very tight range. Kind of looks like it opened below that, but it does need to go above 68 on Baba. That's where I see some good. I want to look into silver. How's silver doing? Silver is 22, pretty flat, but really going in that trend line. So as long as it's hold, that should be good. And see, look at that. That 150 day was perfect bounce 20. I was looking at what no, Tesla. Tesla, I'm gonna look and say goodbye, I guess. Okay, Tesla is still holding that 613 label. So let's look at Disney. Alright guys, with that I say have a great day, and if you have any question comment, let me know. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and yeah, share the words. Alright, thank you. I can go over QQQ, QQQ, QQQ. So QQQ has a resistance from the before resistance right around 303. We do have some support around 98, 99. I think we'll be probably pretty flat though. I feel like it will be just, unless we get some bad news, I think we are just kind of how it is right now. I would say this is pretty much flat, unless it's like 3 point, like a couple points up and down. Probably it's a choppy day. It's a Friday. Probably have a choppy day, and we didn't had I think Brexit had some problem with their Brexit, so that's why the market was selling off. So tech is not so strong, and SPY is yeah, right at support. 364 is support. If you look at that, yeah, right at support. I think we will held this support, so I don't think there's any upside or downside. Probably like yeah, look like this trend line is also right there, and we are right at support. So I think we bounce up here and probably go a little bit higher unless we get some more bad news. But overall, I'm bullish, but we are right at support. So a little bit overextended, so we probably need pullback. Uh, well, it's 150 day, but Tesla is pretty overextended. Okay, 302 was great. Hmm. Okay. 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 Cool. I do not have a position of yeah, laser. So eBay is basically laggard. I don't have a position, and it's just been slow. And I sold yesterday. I had an eBay leap, and it was literally like so much, like literally dying, not really moving sideways or something. So it's actually below 150 days. So that's a bearish. So I sold out of eBay. I had a eBay, but I sold it. I took small loss, like 10%, but I sold it. What was that? What was that? What was that? What? LAZR, was it laser? Yeah, I'm not in laser. Seems like it's sold off. Good point would have been 10, 11. Wow. But yeah, way overextended right now. See, that was with a good volume actually breakout from the base. Oh wow. Hmm. Yeah, a lot of selling happenings looks like, but yeah, it's way too overextended and a lot of gap fill on the downside, so I would really not enter. Kind of volume dying down too, but yeah, that's it for today. And one thing is, don't listen to other people. Look at the chart. The thing is, like, most people lose money because they listen to others. If you listen to others, like people were telling Tesla was Tesla was really high, Tesla was really high, but you have this retail trader who are like buying, 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 uh, but don't never listen to others. If you listen to others, you will literally fail. Don't listen. Look at the charts, what the chart tellings, read the charts and do it. But yeah, that's about it. Yeah, thank you, have a great day. Thanks all.